Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and I have found an awesome, versatile mixing bowl set that not only I can use when I need to cook or mix and bake, but I also love using it to store different food items. This set is from GLASSLOCK. This set comes with 4 different sizes, a large bowl all the way down to a nice small bowl. What I really love about them is the shape. I know it kind of sounds crazy, but I love that it has really a true bowl shape to them. It has nice rounded and tall sides, so using the largest bowl when mixing things is perfect because you're not having things fly out of the bowl because the sides go up so much. The lids have a silicone ring on them, so that mixed with the nice 4 clips around the side give it a super nice airtight seal. So this is the little bowl here, and I really like that you can actually hear the snaps go right into place. So you know that you're getting a really nice tight seal. And I have some water in this bowl, and just look how awesome and how safe it is in there. Like no loose water coming out whatsoever. One other cool thing I loved about the lids is the lid is slightly raised in the middle, so it gives you that extra storage space that you don't have to worry about smushing down your food when you're covering it because it has that nice little additional storage area in the lid. I like that they're clear and glass and very elegant too because you can display them on the counter, or even they look really nice when you're presenting your food in them as well, not just for storage. This mixing bowl set from GLASSLOCK has been a great addition to our kitchen. It's not only durable, but I love the variety of uses for it. And that's my point of view.